Okay guys, I will explain a little part of 48. So exercise 48, the first one. Calculate 4% of 1,000. Do not round the result. Well, what you do then, first, 4% as a decimal. Well, 4% as a decimal, you divide it by 100, which will give you 0.04. Then you take your calculator and then you calculate 0.04 times 1,000 because you want to know 4% of 1,000. You will get the answer 40. Now let's look at a more difficult one. Let's look at question D, for example. 3% of 950. Now in one step, first find out what 3% is. So you don't need to do this mentally. Just grab the calculator. First, 3% as a decimal, 3 divided by 100, which will become 0.03, 0.03, and then you multiply it times 950. This will become 28.5. Then let's do one more. Let's talk about F. 22.8, all right? 22.8 divided by 100, which is 0.228. You multiply it by the amount of 109, because that's what we want to calculate. And then you get 24.852. And the last one, which is H, 0.03%. This as a decimal divided by 100 becomes 0.0003 times and then 404, which will become 0.1212. This is 48 explained, and the first part here, this is what you had to do when it came to 47.